Go to party settings. I just set it to always allow for now. Until I can't think of a situation where
Wait,
I would care.
How do you do that again?
You go to the party.
How do you do that?
Go to the party.
What party? How much? Party.
There we go.
Yeah, smart guy.
Yeah, and then party settings.
Oh, okay. Hold on.
I put mine for
Hold
current
on.
party.
Okay. Party settings. I got it. Okay. Allow your voice to be shared. Yeah. No, I think it's. Oh wait, no. Video call now.
My thing is so. My thing is so weird. My link to Facebook.
I think it automatically links it to Facebook.
Lewis, please.
What's up?
Check out Facebook and look at my link.
Include party.
Why the hell is it Dragon Ball Z?
What are you?
Thank you.
I'm looking right now.
Yeah.
Why?
Well,
That doesn't make any sense. Why is it Goku? Or is that Gohan? No, that's Kid Goku.
It's Goku. It's Goku
that's
from
Kid
Dragon
Goku.
Ball.
What the heck?
that is so cool.
Why?
That's Goku from Dragon Ball.
That is gonna confuse some major people there. They're gonna be like, oh, let's watch this. It's probably the new Xenosaga game or Xenoverse, whatever.
I don't know why, but my thing says that it's PSN. You know, it gave it the title from last time.
Oh, yeah, I see it. The Team Bunny raid.
Why is this happening?
Hold on, I want to see what mine says now because I'm pretty sure mine should be up.
Did you post to Facebook?
Mine should automatically post to Facebook if I'm not mistaken.
Oh, I'm posting it.
Yours doesn't even come up
I'm
with a
posting
picture.
mine on chat.
Mine doesn't come up with a picture. Now I'm
Nope.
upset.
Alright, and what did you guys do for the Twitch settings?
I'm posting. I just posted mine to
Amanda, you want to just do the multi-stream thing again? But this time actually spell Connor.
Yeah, that was my bad.
Mine's called
Connor's like-
Vault of Green.
You got my
Connor's-
name
we were-
wrong.
Vault of
We're
Green.
like, Connor... Connor's just sitting there like, I don't know why, but it's not running. It's running on my computer, but it's not running.
Okay.
Now, did everyone
Mine is
allow
called.
their party to be saved to be shared?
Yes.
Yes.
I edited mine so that way it would let my voice be shared.
Rex and James?
I'll put mine to
What?
it be shared.
Allow your voice to be shared on the party setting. Did you guys allow that?
Yeah, I did that.
Yeah, and
I
did
did
it
that.
on the
already.
Twitch and
Yeah, I did
include party audio in broadcast.
Alright, before we start this, I gotta change my controller because my controller's about to die. It's a good thing I have
Wait,
three
since
PlayStation
I'm streaming on
controllers.
camera,
Wait, could I use the Twitch app to deal with the setting?
No. What you want to do is you want to go to Twitch on a computer.
Yeah, I'm trying that, but my computer is stupid. Mine isn't, but it's with
Okay. Real quick, do I have everybody's Twitches in the multi-Twitch? I'll list it. That's yours? Okay, I'll add yours to the URL. I just need your Twitch name, and I'll add it to the multi-Twitch. It's so easy. It's James58168.
Yeah, I use it for everything. So if you guys want to steal my identity, go ahead.
Okay. My stream is called Guardians Are Plants? RTNY's team PS4 takes on the Vault of Glass, aka the greenhouse. Geg acquires the photosynthesis. Vault of Glass, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, the Vault of Greenhouse. Jesus. What? Hey, Connor. I'm gonna try and sign into yours if you wanna private message me your login info and see if I can help you out. Oh, you got it? Yeah, you go into... There's a checkbox. Hold on, I have to... Yeah. I think if you're streaming from your PlayStation 4, it won't save them on your laptop because I have my streams from when I streamed Sims and Minecraft saved, but not from, what was it, like last week, right? Yeah.
Oh, no, that.
But what's even weirder is that the sun hasn't moved.
Yeah.
Oh, I think that we're moving.
I needed a table of some sort.
Well,
Come on,
get one.
be a little faster.
Okay, who's not on my...
What the hell?
What the hell?
Oh, this is like in the way of the camera.
I guess he got this table.
I got a chair.
I can hear us.
I have a
got a rock.
couch.
I've got a rock.
I have
What?
a bed.
It's just a boulder.
I have a desk.
It's a rock. The pioneers used to ride these things for
Why am I over
miles.
here? How strange.
Nice.
Word.
Word to your
Sound-
mother.
It sounds like something snapped. I saw.
Chad.
Was it?
Watch all the stream.
What? Huh?
Watch all of them. Seriously, as many streams as we're going, you might
There are plenty of people who stream.
as well get the
that's wrong
whole
with that.
the whole TV setup like in the Dark Knight.
Batman?
You know, in the Batman when the whole
I'm
computer's
gonna go get
in
some
the basement.
raisins. Be right back.
Raisins.
Raisins.
Dried grapes.
Grapes? What?
I'm not
So many
even
people through.
really gonna watch the multi-Twitch. I'm just going to watch for reactions in chat.
You're just gonna assume that it works.
I'm looking at it right now and I can see all 4 broadcasts.
I thought there was 6 though.
I know, 2 of them are offline. I'm streaming,
no, Amanda,
Renee is
you look so
streaming,
cool.
Lewis is streaming, and James is streaming.
Oh, Amanda, it looks so great.
Oh, you can see the...
I got middle. Renee, come with me. Connor and Amanda
Okay.
together. And
We got
James
right.
and Rex together.
I think
Coming.
oh yeah, I forgot another 100.
Bex, you little shitlords.
I don't know if I can make
Did
that
you just
one.
say shitlords?
Shitlords.
Shitloads.
Shitloads.
Shitlords.
Not shitloads. Oh, hi!
Shitlords. Rude, rude, rude,
And everything. Damn it.
rude.
Uh,
Damn it all.
bup. I'm dead.
Amanda, put in the automatic archive my broadcast.
Yeah, that
Is that the
checkbox.
section? Okay.
That's the one.
Rude, 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 rude.
Okay, while we're both dead, I'm gonna switch this to Arc.
Oh no.
Wait, was it Arc or Void against the Minotaur Shield?
Void, well, Void,
Void.
is
Void is
Minotaur
purple,
shield.
Amanda.
No, I'm asking. Void works.
Minotaur is Void.
Okay, so I'm not gonna use
Void is
Murder.
purple.
I know Void is
Two
purple.
things with special things.
I know Void is purple.
Oh.
No, I was just. I
So
had
much
a.
hostility. Oh.
Yeah, Connor, geez. We're all in this together.
That sounds like a blender.
Okay, so it's a 14-day storage.
Wait, why,
Your partner, you get 6
James, why are you over here? Shouldn't
With
you
turbo,
be
you
What?
next to the other side?
Okay.
I am? Oh, I don't know. It was an organization. Shit.
You're supposed
Oh,
to
that's right. I did this
be
last time too. I'm supposed to do it, lose. Let's just have it last time.
This is the setup now. Rex, you're gonna be sick of it,
Don't worry, I got it.
Renee decided to go right.
I'll weaken them for you.
Yeah, no, Amanda.
Step
Renee.
inside the sink plate.
What happened?
I'm
I'm not on
just
my
kind
wall.
of dead.
This thing?
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
So then how are we
You
going?
have to-
I wasn't. I wasn't looking at my game. And I'm going to go live.
Presbyterian is just shooting my
That-
orb.
Yes,
Not
Inside.
very nice.
Don't you hate that? Don't you hate that? It's so rude.
God. Personal space, please.
They just really want us not eat.
They're trying to steal our food. They're trying to steal our candy.
Hey, dog.
Those goddamn boots.
How my stream VOG raid produce a week as a lawnmower. Wait, is it lawnmower or weed whacker? Which one was it?
Either one.
Middle's good, outs left and right.
I need to.
Oh, so you put me stand in a circle.
I need special ammo.
You don't have to stand in it once it's all white.
Amanda, does this-
Oh,
Yeah,
wait.
you can run around.
All white? Like all white or all white? Because it's all white. Like the color.
That one.
I'm coming. 1 sec.
Hey, did anybody get
Fire's
Renee?
forming, guys.
Fire's forming.
Fire's forming? Fire's forming. What do I do?
Amanda, cover me. I'm
We're good, good. We just gotta kill this Minotaur. Rest me, James.
Oh, hello. Oh, no. Oh, no. Get
Behind
off.
us.
Get off. Get off.
There we go.
Special ammo, thank God.
Oh, behind us. No, wait. No. No,
And
no.
all the
no.
white.
Ooh, that hurt.
Whoa.
Sorry.
Man, if you can take care of the other ones, I can take care of the right?
Okay.
Did we lose the spire? The thing plate?
We
Wait,
lost
am I
mine
supposed to
for a
stand in a white
second, I got
circle?
mine. No, you just don't let this Minotaur get in there.
Okay.
Nice.
Yeah, take that.
Kill anybody though.
Shotgun.
Oh, Sparky Bluey.
Amanda, res.
Renee, I'm making
Oh,
orbs for
shit.
you.
Yay!
I hate when
Amanda,
those
dead on
freaking
the left side.
All of the orbs.
the freaking
James,
goblins
stay here.
live and then they go
Actually,
crazy.
James, go help me and Connor on the left side.
Man, I was checking
Three?
on my phone. You have to
Go over that way.
Okay.
people there.
Oh,
You guys
mine.
one of them.
Ow! Ow!
I ran a little closer to the wall for ammo. Sorry.
And I hate you.
Yeah, no, just so you know,
You know Presbyterians
my
here.
hunter, which isn't,
Especially since they shoot void
Okay.
outside our faces.
Connor,
and then try to
your
punch us.
microphone is a little low.
Presbyterian, what did we just say? What did we just say? Don't like your kind here.
Presbyterian.
Amanda, I got you.
Thank you, James.
Your friend decides to
back.
come here. Come back here. No, no,
But
no.
yeah,
Ooh,
Connor,
Sparky
Not
good.
in my
your
house.
microphone is low. I
Not in my
can
house.
barely hear you.
I'm not
Tell me
increasing
his
the
helmet's
volume.
not creepy.
You're what?
I'm not
His
increasing
helmet's
the
quite
volume.
creepy.
Okay.
His volume is
Creepy
fine, it's
ammo.
just everyone else is loud.
Well,
Creepy,
in my
creepy
headset,
helmet.
comparatively, he's really quiet.
I punched him in the face.
Alright, James, back up. Just come back.
Nice.
Mine is an IPS time volume.
I'm gonna be behind you.
Yep.
So then I
Makes
guess
sense.
everybody else is just too loud.
There's some orbs for you.
Either that or your volume is low.
And I'm already up to that.
I
I can hear everybody just fine.
think it's the
But now you are
converter.
kind
What
of-
about her headset volume? Was it?
I think it's
No,
the
the pain
converter
of
that
it.
I got
Oh,
for
no.
this.
Grenade. Stick.
I can hear Renee fine. I can hear Rex fine. I can hear Lily
I have
fine.
the-
I can hear Lois.
I have the microphone
Boom.
audio, the volume turned up as high as it'll go, and it's
Make sure the sync rate is fine.
So what you're saying is that you, on Friday night, you turned up.
I'm turned up.
I respect that. I respect that.
Oh, we saw, man. We saw you with that margarita. Get your drink on, girl.
What margarita?
Oh my god, don't do that again.
Guardian down.
I'm fine.
That wasn't a margarita. It was like
A bulldog.
iced tea vodka.
Amanda, make sure that
You
the
killed
volume
that thing,
is
though. It was like
Whoa,
a
whoa.
fish bowl.
Make sure
Is that
what?
better, guys?
You gotta go a little bit louder. You gotta go a little bit louder, Connor.
Well, the left is fine.
Fire for me.
You can't.
Get to the middle.
Is that fine?
Damn it.
It's not yet. Rex, it's not ready yet.
Whatever you say. Whatever you say.
Connor,
Whatever you say. If you get to take the left is
I
fine.
can't
If you say the left
understand
is
what you're
alright.
saying.
Don't let you.
Or you could have at least said that there's a vex of the sync rate.
Well, I died.
I killed it.
Or you didn't even say anything.
What do you mean?
Oh,
Why,
you guys
why do I
are
have
dead.
to?
Oh.
There are messages.
He was
Amanda?
adjusting his mic.
I'm adjusting the mic setting.
Oh, I didn't hear you say that.
I had said that like 2 minutes ago.
Well, you were quiet.
Cause I'm adjusting the settings.
So I couldn't hear you before. Now I can hear you perfectly. Problem solved.
Alright, now that Connor's back, James. You hear James?
You have
I'm
that
saying.
one.
Hi.
You
Whoa,
Presbyterian.
whoa, whoa. Okay, okay, okay.
Connor, are you still
Wait, have
messing
you
with your
seen his
settings?
helmet?
Please
Look
stop.
at Connor's helmet. It's freaking extended.
I know, it's
like
cool.
8 eyes.
Like a spider.
I don't.
Oh, there are enemies behind us.
We should pay attention.
We're like looking at Connor's helmet and there's stuff shooting at us. This is... Wow. Way to go, us.
There's so much heavy ammo. I don't even care anymore. Die.
What the heck was that?
I hate that guy. I don't know. I saw a bright red light and I died.
Yeah, what
I don't
was
know.
that?
Men in Black. Men in Black, man. I'm telling you.
Presbyterian.
Grenade it.
Good job.
Yeah, no, don't worry about the orbs. Don't worry about them. I can take care of them.
I am perfectly good with orbs.
That's cool. And I'll just stockpile them.
Yeah, don't worry about the Presbyterian since I can take it on no problem with my shotgun.
Shotgun.
Yeah, we're pretty good over here.
Keep your friends close and your primary firearm closer.
No.
So, why is this? What is this thing is teleporting? Oh, it's Presbyterian. There you are. Boom. You died. Goodbye.
I am. Damn it.
Oh man, thank you,
I
man.
must say, the stream is going pretty well.
Wait, what is this guy?
Alright, James, you can go back to the center if you want. You need to man the side.
We're okay now.
So what you're saying is the left side is all right. Okay.
Yeah, go back to help Lewis out with the center.
Connor, I'll watch our back.
Amanda, we have both sides to watch.
Right. But there's two of us. And we can communicate.
I know. I took care of it already. Thank you, Lewis. That's probably going.
Oh, okay. You should probably take out his shields and try to weaken him off, then finish him off with the Nova Bomb.
In the back.
Orbs.
Yep. Where is he?
You bastard! Stop killing my friend. You jerk.
Oh, in front.
Okay, at you.
I know. I got it. Yeah. But worry about. All right. You can worry about the smaller ones. I can take care of the Presbyterians in a few hits.
There was a Presbyterian in the front, but he went towards the center.
Yeah, no, Lewis got it.
Where'd he go? Oh, okay.
That goblin was looking at us funny.
I got the one in the back.
Oh, Amanda, could you share my stream in the Twitch?
Oh, in front.
In the chat.
Your stream is included in the multi-Twitch link.
Oh, it is already?
Well, how does that work? How does the multi-Twitch work? You just go to like one screen with four of those screens?
Yeah. When you get a chance, check it out. And the link is in the chat.
I'll do it.
I have a chance.
I looked up.
Victorian coming to the middle.
Alright, I got it. It's activated, guys. Get to the middle.
Okay.
It's the what?
It's activated.
It's activated.
The middle.
Come to the middle.
Oh, wait, I was in the middle, right? This is the middle, right?
Yes, you're in the middle.
Okay.
Alright, guys, well done.
Boop, boop,
Last
boop,
time
boop,
I
boop.
ran in the middle of the map.
But way to run into the door.
Rex, really, you're pushing me out of the way.
I was trying to see how to do the glitch to get into